Be greeted, guys. Be greeted. Be greeted. Um, Hope you're having a wonderful morning. If you're in SA, a wonderful evening. If you're in other parts of the world, and a wonderful afternoon. If also you're in other parts of the world. So this is Katlawa AC the Sun, the founder and CEO of Bunafx. So guys, today I want us to engage in um, the topic of synthetic indexes, guys. So I know most traders, they are mostly familiar with currency pairs, trading currencies as an asset. So, guys, I want us to now move a bit far from currencies, but it's not too far, still here. So, I want us to actually speak about synthetic indexes. So, synthetic indexes, they are they are pairs, or rather assets, which one could trade, but these assets are not really showing the actual moves that happen in the economy, but then they're imitating, they are mimicking the behaviors and the moves that might be actually happening in an economy. In other words, they are only synthesized so that they can move like like currency pairs, like indices, which are in the actual economy, but then for them the moves are not really dependent on the current stature of the economy. In other words, they are synthesized um, as a way of mimicking what actually could happen in the economy. So in other words, let's just look at VIX 75. So no, actually not VIX 75, it's volatility index as a whole. So VIX, which is also called the volatility index, is an asset which uh, which gives out or projects the behavior of investors, in likeness to what? In likeness to options, which are stocks, and saving money in the bank. So, in times of crisis, when the stocks actually fall, and most people like to actually take their money out of the stocks and place it bank for safekeeping. Now, when that happens, the volatility index is going to rise and go up. And if the investors now take the money from the bank into the stocks, then that is where you're going to realize that the volatility index will go down. So it is actually mimicking that type of behavior between investors, uh, and how they react to the current situation in terms of stocks or saving in the bank. So we have the likes of Boom 1000, we have the likes of Boom 1000, Boom 500, Crash 500, Crash 1000, and these are my favorite ones, to be specific. Boom 1000, the Boom and Crash indexes. So the Boom 1000, uh, it's an asset whereby after every average of 1,000 ticks, the market spikes up, and Boom 500, after an average of 500 ticks, the market spikes up, and it's vice versa for Crash 1000 and Crash 500. Then we also have Step Index, which is one of my favorite uh, assets to trade. Now we are in a trade on Boom 1000. We have been in this trade for quite a while now. As you can see, we entered here. It's a sniper entry, guys. It's a sniper entry. It's a sniper entry. We entered there. We entered here, guys. We entered here. Let me show you how we entered. Yeah, we entered here. You can see the sniper entry here. The sniper entry. And we have been holding, guys. We've been holding. We've been holding. We've been holding. And we are also in a trade. I think it's Crash 500. I think it's Crash 500. Yes, it's Crash 500. And we are still holding, guys. We are still holding. We are still holding, guys. We are still holding because it's going down, and we know that it's going to go down for a while. And I've entered with a minimum lot size that crash and boom offer, which is 0.2. And I think the profit is now running around 20 USD, 20 USD, I think, with the minimum lot size. And we are also trading step index. We're in a trade on step index. Now, guys, what I'm showing you is the type of trades that we take in the VIP signals group. Uh, I recently told the free signals group, and also there on YouTube, I remember I posted a video about it, that I will not be giving that much that much, what do you call, attention to the free signals group, because I want to groom the VIP group so that they can also set free and fly for themselves. And also, even though they remain with us in Bunafx, they will remain knowing that they are gaining a lot of knowledge, not only just a bigger capital, but then a way to sustain capital. So, as you can see, we are not we are not trading the spikes only, the 1 minute spikes, but then we are trading it for a long time. This is step index, guys. By the way, this is step index, and we are also in the trading volatility 75, guys. So, guys, I just want you to. I am not really fishing anyone out. I just want you to realize that the economy has actually changed a lot, and because of that, the trading currencies sometimes can be a bit unstable, and sometimes it's not actually friendly to your budget, to the budget actually, because you find that market conditions are constantly changing, or are just in one direction for a very long time, not actually giving you an opportunity to ride in on the trade or ride in on the trend. And we know that we don't want to be chasing the trend. We want the trend to run with us. We want to catch the trend as it begins. So trading synthetic indexes might just be a way to go. Might just be a way to go, guys. Trading synthetic indexes might really just be a way to go. Just look at Bitcoin. It started off as a theory. Then the man created it, but then the actual idea behind Bitcoin itself, currently, it's beyond remarkable. It's beyond remarkable. Bitcoin has really grown. Bitcoin has really grown. It has really grown. It has really grown, guys. So I think the same will be said for synthetic indexes. I think the same will be said because like they are stable in the sense that even if the market fall, even if the economy falls completely, they are still able to sustain a certain type of income in certain type of market conditions. They will be able to continue uh, being tradable, though the market falls, but then it does not really rely or depend on the actual market. It's only mimicking what the market could do. So I think this is the way to go, guys. I think this is the way to go. I think this is the way to go, guys. So as Cattle or AC the Sun, I want people who want to join the VIP group, whereby they'll be getting signals. They'll also be getting private sessions. Private sessions are sessions whereby you'll be able to do question and ask. You'll be able to actually ask me questions, and I'll answer them. Uh, I'll help you in terms of trading. I'll give you strategies, because we don't use only one. We have different strategies for different accounts and different types of risk appetite. So if you join the VIP group, that is where you actually you get access to everything that I'm talking about, access to strategy, access to knowledge about trading these things. You will just get the full VIP treatment that a VIP member deserves, and you'll be actually part of the family that we're actually creating now. So, and this is one thing that I want to mention to you guys. Uh, I do not sell my strategy, guys. I don't know. I do not sell strategies. The only way whereby you'll be able to purchase a strategy from me is if you are in the VIP group. In other words, no one can get the strategy that I'm offering if you are not in my VIP group, guys. And if you are in my 1 month VIP group, still you will not be allowed to buy my strategy. Only those ones that are in the unlimited VIP, sometimes they call it the lifetime VIP signals group, are able to buy the strategy, guys. They're able to buy the strategy. It is a 95% accurate strategy, but then we also have other strategies that actually work for both currencies and synthetic indexes, only depending on risk tolerance, risk appetite, and also the type of trader that you are. Either you're a swing trader or you're a scalper. So yes, guys, this is Bunafx signing out, guys. I'm signing out. I'll leave the link in the description below. The link that I'm leaving, it is to take you to my free signals group. Once you are there, that is when you will be able to communicate with me. If ever you want to go into the VIP group, then you'll be able to go into the VIP group. That is where you'll get more information about how much is required to join the VIP group. But there's not too much. It's only $18 for synthetic indexes. It's $18 1 month signal subscription. If you enter now, then it will be 30 days upon the day you've entered. It's only $18, guys, for 1 month signals, and for lifetime signals it's only $40, guys. $40, guys, and you get access to the strategy and everything. So I'll leave the link in the description below so that you can be able to communicate with me, guys. It's Bunafx signing out.